This is what it looks like editing on a pair of sunglasses. So today, we've got no laptop, no monitor, just a pair of glasses, my iPhone, and a video that I need to finish. So these are the RayNeo Air 4 Pros. They project a massive virtual screen, and I wanted to answer one question with this video. Can you actually edit a full video on your phone using smart glasses? If this works, this kind of changes how video editors can work from anywhere. And if it doesn't, then you're just about to watch me suffer. So either way, you win. The RayNeo Air 4 Pro is a lightweight wired AR display. It plugs straight into your phone, and the screen supports HDR10. So the colors are actually punchy enough to work with, and the audio is tuned by Bang Olufsen, which in a pair of sunglasses is kind of ridiculous. They're like the most premium luxury audio brand in the world. Also, by the way, these have no battery. As you see here, it's plugged into my phone. So it takes power directly from the phone. And that's really important because big, bulky VR and AR goggles usually need a big battery inside, which means they're super heavy. These, on the other hand, are extremely light, which means I can quite literally sit here for an hour, 2 hours, even 3 hours and edit in peace without actually feeling the weight of these on my face and needing to take a break. Okay, cool. So I've got a edit loaded up. Now this actually is a event promo video, very basic, really just a recap kind of after movie for an event that I hosted for video editors last summer. I'm gonna chop it all up, resync it to new music, and pretty much like give this a complete re-edit. So first off, I just wanna mute this particular video here because it already has sound on it, and I wanna come over to audio and I wanna add a new song. Now, because you have the Bang Olufsen music directly in your ear, it doesn't matter how far away I hold the phone from my face, I'm just gonna get the audio directly into my ear, which is amazing. So let's pick a song. Banger. Bit of a banger. All right, we're going for that one. So first thing we need to do is we need to chop up all these clips and we need to resync it to the beat. Now this would be really annoying if I was just fiddling around on my phone, but I've literally got a 50-inch monitor in front of me, so let's get this. All right, sick. We've chopped every single clip up. Now it's time to start syncing to the beat. Now, when the song starts here, you can see there are beat drops like constantly. Like here, let me play this to you so you can actually hear this. So constant changes. And then boom, it goes into a nice little montage. And also, if I'm ever lost, like I can quite literally see through these glasses. So it's kind of like a weird thing to describe. I can see a perfect high definition huge screen, but I could also glance down at my actual phone screen in case I kind of forget where my thumb's at. So I've chopped everything up, took me a few minutes, I've synced it all to the beat, we've swapped out the music. Let me play what the edit's looking like from start to finish right now. We've done all of this on mobile in record time. Let me play this to you. Woo! Hey, are you kidding me? I'm watching this on a massive screen. Woo! All right, listen, I might be getting too gassed right now. I don't know, like, I'm only playing on some sick AR goggles and a phone, but I am getting very excited right now because I know what mobile editing is usually like, and it's not this engaging. It sucks. Like, just being honest, it sucks. This is actually like an immersive experience. I feel like I'm having fun right now. So what do we do next? Well, let's go ahead and mess with some text elements to this, okay? So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to layer. It's time to do a little bit more advanced stuff to this. Nothing crazy. We've chopped up a cool video, but let's certainly get some text. So we're gonna say VP plus live event. This is for my editing community, VP plus, and we're just gonna mess around with some of the styles, right? So what I might do is I might look for preset potentially, right? Let's see if there's anything cool over here, and we go for fonts as well. We need a good font. Go for a nice round font right there. Now I can also pull out the text so it's nice and big, and we can also do some animations if we want to. Let's do a little animation. I'm thinking maybe like a slide up, right? That looks a little basic, I can't lie. Scale up looks bad as well, I'm not gonna lie. I'm chopping this puppy up and changing the size of it. Woo! There we go. Okay, clean. Woo! I'm getting way too gassed. All right, final effects. Let's just do a couple little animations here, stuff that, you know, can just transition this out, and then I think we're good to go. There we go, right there. I want a nice little animation in the middle there. Oh yeah, no. We ruined it. Let's get that out of there. Let's get that out of there ASAP. We have officially cooked a banger. Let's watch it start to finish on the big screen. Let's get it. Woo! Bit of a slapper, huh? I know it's hard for you to appreciate what I'm looking at right now, but I can assure you it is absolutely fantastic. Huge screen. We whipped up a sick edit. The Air 4 Pros made that a genuinely fun experience. Like, I can't really explain it more than that. So if you're an editor, drop a comment below and tell me, what would you actually use these for? Would you use them for gaming? Would you use them for editing just like I've done? Or I really think the super sick aspect of these is like just watching a movie on a plane. And I'm strongly considering trying to edit a full client project start to finish, doing the entire thing on the Air 4 Pros. Comment below if you want to see that and we can set it up. And if you want to see another great video that goes into a bunch of high level edits and how much they cost, this video is going to start playing next. I'll jump off the screen. 3, 2, 1, click it. See you there.